was this? Are you counting? 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. Somebody should be counting here so I can talk. Is anybody counting? Keep lifting. Concentrate. The only thing you can't do is you cannot use your legs. Because if you use your legs, then you throw the dumbbell with your legs. You can use the techniques of the body, but don't use your legs. Now, this forward training, you should learn about this and you should come to my booth and find out why many people in Los Angeles, in the old people's home, are doing the training, 60 to 90 years old. At the same time, this is the biggest class at the Loughborough University here in England that my son teaches. I will tell you about the principles, but this type of training requires a lot of energy and certain strength. How many was that? Give me a round.